Hey, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a robot. Hope you can follow along and have some fun. Let's start our robot with a big eye. I'm going to put a big circle in the middle and I'm going to colour that in black. Just up from halfway, then I'm going to put another circle around it. And I'm just going to put another circle around here. Like so. Now this is the main eyepiece and I like the shape of a rounded shape. So I'm going to come up and around and down. Looks a bit similar to a minion, doesn't it? Okay, so when we're drawing robots and stuff, we want to create basically lines and shapes. So I'm going to put in a rounded shape like so, and this is going to be like a vent. So I'm just going to create some little rectangles that are coloured in like so, and I'm just going to bring this down and come across. Now with robots you've got to work out what they can do, all right, whether they've got antennas, what type of arms you might want on them. So this robot is going to have a couple of arms. There's where one arm's going to come out of. This is where the other arm is going to come out of. This arm is going to be like a big stretchy, you know, one of those stretchy cords. So I'm just going to stretch it out like so. And you can go up and down. Try and keep it the same distance. And on here, I'm going to have like a little claw, but I'm going to make this look like it's, you know, that stretchy cord. So that's why I'm putting some lines and making them look curved like so. Now it's going to have a claw, so I'm going to just put a little shape like so, so it can grip things. Now an antenna, you can have a straight antenna, but I like some curly ones, so I'm just going to put a zigzag line like that, like a lightning bolt coming off. Now it could be a radar dish or whatever you want. I'm just going to put a circle with a little line coming through it like so. Alright, we got an arm that looks like that. We could have the same sort of looking arm, or we could have something different. This robot is going to have the same type of arm, but he's got a bit more bend in it. And this time, he's got like a vacuum cleaner, so he can vacuum up things. So he can suck up rubbish and bits and pieces. Imagine having a robot like that at home. It'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? It's going to make that look rounded by creating some lines all the way back to there. Now, how your robot moves is up to you. You could have it on army tracks, you could have legs, you could have one wheel. It's totally up to you. I'm going to have mine on some two legs. So I'm going to do one piece here, one piece here. And these are going to have some little lines through them like so. Just add a bit of different interest. So there's his leg. Now I'm going to draw this as like a bit of a bolt type thing. So a couple of shapes. There's his nut knees. Comes down. Could even have a pirate leg if you wanted to. So this one can actually cruise on some wheels. So I'm just going to have a shape like so and have one little black wheel there, one little black wheel there. So it can roll along or skate along on some skates. And then this one, let's see what we can do with this one. This one's going to be slightly different. So he can have similar effect there, but instead of wheel, this one is going to be like an army track wheel. And that's how I've drawn it front on. Everything's front on here. Now to make it look more like a robot, you could have like some little details where it looks like it's screwed together. Like so. So there's some extra screws. You could have some extra lines as well. I'm going to put some extra lines on here with a thinner pen. So that's got some grooves on it. You could have some more buttons. So if you wanted like little buttons, put some buttons on there. You can have some other little details as well. This thing might be another little eye that can spy or shoot off. Might have some little grippy bits on his fingers. Some more buttons on here to make it go on and off. And if you wanted to make that look like it's sucking up something, it could be sucking up some rubbish in here. There's a bit of rubbish that it's sucking up, some dirt off the ground, showing it's sucking up. Let's put some more interesting bits on here. A couple of little circles. And there we have a cute, simple robot.